Okay guys, we're working on the first pickup of the night, dinner shift, and it is from this place for Ann S. So hopefully they have it ready. Hi, how are you? Good. Hey, I got a pickup for Ann. I think it's that one. Yeah. Thank you very much. Okay guys, so we got the first pickup. Let me bag it. And I got a few more pickups to do. So doing a duty multi-app. See how it goes. Okay guys, so we're doing the next pickup, and this is from Grubhub, from Pepper Types for 8 miles for $20. So I already got a notification that they have it ready. So this is for Jennifer. I don't think it's that big. Hey, how are you? Hey, I got a pickup for Jennifer for Grubhub.
Grubhub, Jennifer S,
Yes.
right?
Yes. Yes, those two?
Uh-huh.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, brother.
Okay guys, so we got it. Let's pack it and get on the way. Okay guys, we're working on the next pickup from PH Change. This is for Uber Eats. And then I got one more from Dick's Barbecue. I might do it, I might not. We will see. Depends how I'm going to time. Guys, I got the two pickups. I'm not gonna do the Dick's Barbecue. I mean, I just got the offer from this guy. He's like, where can I spend my food to be delivered? So a trouble guy, so I'm not going to mess around with the guy for now. Just leave it like that. Okay guys, so we're working on the drop-off. I think it's 21. Okay guys, so we're working on the next drop-off. I believe it's for 41, so it's that one right there. 41, that's 42, 41, 43. Okay guys, so let me go ahead and get this done. Okay guys, we're working on what possibly could be the last pickup of the dinner shift, because I need to go train about at 8 o'clock and it's 7:28. So this is why I took the offer, was 4 miles for $12 from California Pizza Kitchen. So hopefully, I think they have it ready. I can see it from here. Okay, look at this guy. Okay guys, so let me see, hopefully. Let's cross a finger, because I do not want to wait. I've been lazy today guys. I have been lazy. Check.
How you doing, boss?
How you doing? Okay guys, so we got the food and we were also able to pick up another pickup from a restaurant down there, or down there right there, from $18 for 4 miles, which is pretty good. So let me see, I got to be careful with these bags. Okay guys, we're doing the Grubhub pickup right now from this restaurant called Wildest Restaurant and Bar. So hopefully they have it ready. It's a small thing. It's only tortara, just one item. So hopefully wait. Hi, how are you? I got a Grubhub pickup for Sheldon. Huh? Yeah, this right here. So that's the one? Okay. Thank you very much. Have a good night. Okay guys, so I got it. They should, like, you know, be more professional. The restaurant looks expensive and they don't put a own thing, you know. They need to get their shit together. Anyway, so let's drop this off guys. Okay guys, so we're working on this next drop off, the one from California Pizza Kitchen, and I just got another offer. So I am 178. Let me check. You're welcome. Have a good night.
You too.
Okay guys, so we're working on the next one. Hey, how are you?
Thank you so
Seth,
much.
you're welcome. Have a good night.